Do you know this animal? This is a dog, right? Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Let's write it down. D. Then O. Then G. G. Dog. Dog. D. O. G. Dog. Dog. What's this one? I think you know this one. For sure you know this one. This is a horse. A horse. 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 Horse starts with H. Then O. Then R. And now what is next? Yes, S. Horse. Horse. Then last letter is E. E. Horse. 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 H. O. R. S. E. Horse. 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 Next one. Do you know this one? I know it, but do you know it? Yes, it's a goat. Goat. Goat starts with G. G. G for goat. G. Next is O. 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 Go. Then A. You're right. And last is T. Goat. T. Goat. This is goat. 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 G. O. A. T. Goat. You got it. Goat. Goat. Next is, what's this one? That's a green animal. Yes, it's a frog. Frog starts with F. F. F for frog. F. R. R. O. Yep, frog. G. Then G. Frog. G. Frog. F. R. O. G. Frog. 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 Next is turtle. Turtle. Turtle, right? That's a turtle. Turtle. Turtle starts with T. There are a lot of T's in this word. Turtle. T. U. Yes. R. Then T again. T. Yes. Turtle. Then L. And E. L and E. Turtle. Turtle. Okay. Good job, turtle. T. Then U. Then R. Next is T. After that is L. And last is E. E. Turtle. Next is, what is that one? I know it. Yes, it's a bat. Bat. Bat starts with B. B-A-T. Bat. So B. I just said it. Yes, A. Then bat. T. T. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Bats live in the forest, in the caves. In the caves. B-A-T. Bat. Bat. What's this? Do you know this one? You know it for sure. That's a bunny. Bunny or rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit starts with rabbit. With R. R. Rabbit. R. Next is A. Rabbit. Okay, A. Then next is B. Then another B. I. And T. Rabbit. 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 R. A. B. B. I. T. R. A. B. B. I. T. Rabbit. Rabbit. Next is cat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Also we saw bat. Also ends in T. C-A-T. Cat. Cat goes meow. Cat. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Next one is fox. Fox. F-O-X. Right? Is that correct? Yes. F-O-X. F-O-X. Fox. F-O-X. F-O-X. Fox. Fox. F-O-X. F-O-X. Fox. 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 Next one, that's a bird. What's the name of that bird? Yes, it's a red jay. Red jay. Red jay. So R, red. And E after R, red. D. The next is D. You're right. Red. J, J, J like J, J, and A and Y, J, R, E, D, J, A Y. Red J. Red J.